Types, parts, and uses of bulldozer Part 2. Bulldozer miniature. A compact bulldozer is another name for this smaller bulldozer. A tiny dozer is ideal for operations that necessitate greater movement and versatility than larger equipment. A compact bulldozer can perform well in a variety of operations that involve grading and clearing lots because of its tiny size. Blades for bulldozers. The blades used on the bulldozers listed above can be further categorized. Varied blades have different functions, can handle various materials, and can bear a variety of load weights. The most prevalent varieties are mentioned below. Blades that are not curved, S-blade. The shortest blade a dozer may utilize is an S-blade, which does not have side wings. In the bottom back corners of the blade, this blade connects to the arm. The straight blade is suitable for fine-grained and medium to hard-density materials because of its form. The disadvantage is that the dozer's lifting and carrying capabilities are limited due to its straight design. Stumping, backfilling, grading, and evening soil are just a few of the activities that S-blades excel at. Blade, universal, U-blade. A U-blade is good for moving items across long areas of land because it has broad side wings and a curved design. When in motion, the wings restrict the material from spilling over. They attach to the bottom back corners of the blade in the same way that S-blades do. It's the tallest and widest blade kind, and it works well with mild to medium density soil. Ditching, hauling, pushing, and crowning are some of the best uses for U-blades. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.